Hi guys and welcome back. Today we are going to continue our project toy tractor design and we'll design today the steering wheel, start a new document and start a new sketch on front plane. We'll need two circles for start. One of them will be 6 mm and the other will be 5.4. We will extrude both bays 0.2 mm. Click OK. Then we will start a new sketch on top plane and we will draw lines, two lines that will be parallel. Here we will have 28 and this will be 0.14. We will use one center line and add one more dimension, 0.2, and close the sketch. So we will need now extrude both bays, two directions, 0.1 here, 0.1 this side. Click OK. Then we will use circular pattern. For direction we'll use this side, this circle, and we'll need just 3 sides. Click OK. Next thing that we are going to do is to sketch on this surface and make one circle that will be 0.4 or maybe 0.6 and make it 2 mm from the other side. Click OK. One more sketch, use this circle, just convert entities and extrude cut 1.4 mm. Click OK. The other thing that we need is from this side and one circle here that will be 0.3 mm and we'll make it long 1.5 mm. Click OK. We'll need to add just some fillets, 0.1 this side and this side. Add color, maybe from here is better. And here is our steering wheel for our toy tractor. Save the document and see you tomorrow in another video.